the first steps to getting this big old beautiful gal going again. You fix the frame. Like all these cars, the frame is getting rotten, but you had a donor piece. You place that right there. See if it's getting pushed in. She's on there and all fixed and good and ready to go. And that side over there is pretty decent. That might be just a hair thin on the bottom side. Eventually gonna pull the frame out, flip her over and check it out. Other than that, maybe sometime here, this will be finished. Not really finished, at least around and moving. I also got some thunder boomers coming. I really ain't thundering like mad. Not doing anything now.